Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. It appears more Jamaicans are beginning to become more concerned about the possibility of technology replacing their jobs. The latest consumer confidence survey done in the first quarter of this year showed that there was a combined 7% increase in Jamaicans who felt their jobs were probably likely to be replaced and strongly likely to be replaced. Don Anderson is the executive chairman of Market Research Services Limited.
We'll see that 8% feel that their job is strongly likely to be replaced by technology. 13% probably. So we're saying 1 in every 5 believe that their job is under threat from technology. But this is not a large number, but still something that needs to be noted going forward, because there is a sense of urgency in terms of moving towards a greater appreciation of AI and the implications for job security. So we need to note these numbers.
Now, 40% of the employed respondents were of the view that it was strongly unlikely that their jobs would be replaced by technology. This represents a 10% decline in that category, suggesting reduced confidence for some Jamaicans in job security due to technological advancement, including artificial intelligence, AI. The Jamaican financial system saw growth in loans and advances for 2023. The Bank of Jamaica in its annual report says minus provisions for loans losses and loans and advances grew. Minus provisions for loan losses. Loans and advances grew by 11.3% or $141.3 billion Jamaican dollars. That represents a slowdown when compared to the expansion of 13.1% or $145.1 billion for 2022. The central bank says the 2023 growth was also below the pre-pandemic levels. All customer groups displayed a slowdown in the growth of loans. Now, personal loans grew, and the BOJ says that this section was reflexive of reduced demands for mortgages as real estate lending for 2023 grew by 12.9%, a little less than the previous year. Additionally, loans to overseas residents expanded by 4.7%. Let's head to the foreign currency market now. The Jamaican dollar lost 67 cents compared to the US dollar at the close of trading on Tuesday. Banks and cambios are selling the American dollar for an average $156.76. The Canadian is going for $114.64. $193.45 is the average cost for the pound, while the euro is trading for $166.55. And finally, the JSE index lost 1,015 points today, while the junior market index declined by 32 points. Among the 33 winners were A.S. Bryden & Sons Holdings, Mayberry Group, Jamaican Teas, First Rock Real Estate Investments, Jamaican Dollar Shares, and Main Event Entertainment Group. The 54 losers were led by MFS Capital Partners, CAC 2000, Edufocal, Proven Group, and Lasco Financial Services. Now 16 stocks closed the session, selling at the same price they started trading. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.